Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Sorry, the place is not very bright too. I'm not at home. All right. I'm not at home currently. So just let me know. You know how we do it. What location are you joining in from? What location are you joining in from? What location are you joining in from? Quickly tell me. Um. Okay. So what location are you joining in from? I'll wait for you. Quickly do that, please. Just type your location. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay. Oh, we have Joel. Good morning. Timilane. Good morning. Ayo DG. Good morning. Lagos, Nigeria. Joshua. Good morning. Ayobo. Okay. Badijo. Lagos. Oimai. Lagos. Oh, nice, 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 nice. I'm waiting for the rest of you. Um. So while we are waiting, good morning. Blessy from Netherlands. Okay, amazing. Amazing. So while we are waiting for the rest to drop a comment in the chat box, we are just going to go straight into three things. Okay. So we have Bidmos saying good morning. Good morning, Bidmos. I'm going to share with you three things before I go into the chat. And like I always say, stay with me up until the end because it's usually at the end that inspiration comes. Mostly Lagos. Okay. So it's usually at the end that the heavy inspiration comes. I like to speak spiritually as regards to trading because trading is more than just a career. Trading is more than a career. You know that already. Trading is a life. It brings out a part of you that you've never imagined was there. Do you understand? It brings out a part of you that you've never thought of was there. For example, imagine that somebody never knew that he was greedy. Trading will show you that, bro, you are greedy. Imagine someone did not know that he's stubborn. Trading will show you, guy, leave the market. You're too stubborn. Imagine someone did not know that he's content. Trading will show you when there's temptation to go back into the market, but you're like, no, nah, I'm fine. I'm okay. All right. So trading brings out the part of you that you never knew was there. I'm going to be honest with you. All right. Uh, Yeah. So trading brings out the part of you that you never knew was there. And what do you do when you find out that there's a negative attitude that you're exhibiting? All right, that trading is showing you that you have. What do you do at that point? Three things real quick. Number one, you need to reevaluate. Reevaluate means ask yourself, why are you trading? All right, why am I in the market? Am I here to make money? I'm here to grow. If you're here to make money, you can make money anywhere else. So I'd advise you leave trading alone. If you're here to grow, then you can also grow anywhere else. All right. But pretty much when you reevaluate why you're trading, why you're here, why you're in this environment, it gives you a clearer picture as to what to do as regards building character because you cannot thrive in this environment without a good character. Mm-mm, you cannot. You cannot. Don't let anybody deceive you. You cannot thrive without a good character. You need to exhibit a good character towards the market. The market is going to give you, it's going to take from you if you choose to, or if you don't choose to grow. As much as it gives, it's going to also take from you. As much, in fact, more than it gives. That's what people don't know. More than the market gives you to take from you because you did not grow with it. You did not grow with it. Okay. So real quick, you know how we do it. Every time you have questions, please go ahead and ask. Just type it in the chat box. I'm going to attend to it. But let's go right into the chat and I'll show you what I'm looking out for this week. Yeah, just hold on a second. Okay, so let me show you what I'm looking out for. Um, all right, CGBP USD looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good. It's coming to minus 27. Anyways, no much time, so let's just go into what we have. EJ looking good also. Nice. Waiting for an entry on EJ. So let's review last week trades before I just run into this week's one. Let's review last week's trades. So last week, um, from Monday, right? Yeah, Monday. Last week Monday we had. Let's go back to 15 minutes charts and scroll into last week. Last week Monday. So this was last week Monday, yeah. So we had this buy from the psychological level at exactly London session open. All right, exactly London open. We had a buy, and I was buying into the trend line because I knew the price would react off of the trend line. Okay. Um. Yeah. So we had this buy last week Monday, which was very good, and from the buy into the trend line was, remember, psychological level into the trend line. That's 235 pips. That's a lot of pips, all right? And that was just on Monday. The Monday evening we had a sale. I remember I told you guys close at break even. Some people were in profit, those that took higher entries, but those that took lower entries, those that took higher entries just took out about 97 pips or so. Those that took lower entries closed at maybe 20 pips, 30 pips. To me, that's break even. You can't call 30 pips a profit. You can't. Unless, even if, well, depending on the lot size you're using. If you're using my lot size, you can call 30 pips a profit. But most times, your profit starts from 50 pips at least. At least. If you can't get 50 pips in the market, why are you here? You came here to learn how to make money. So if you can't get 50 pips, please go back to your drawing board, go and learn how to make money. All right. Then Tuesday there was nothing. There was nothing, but I remember I called this buy, but I didn't call it out for everybody. Hence why I did not mark it out. The buy was three confluences. Number one was psychological level. Are you seeing 141? 142000 psychological level. Another reason was this other block right here. Third was break and retest of broken break and retest of resistance. So we broke the resistance level, retesting. So all right, so that was our three confluences for this buy last week. And I remember I did this analysis with FZBA. We had this analysis together, and that was head and shoulder. Head and shoulder. So I didn't know head and shoulder was going to form yet, but I called the sell. Now imagine what happened. So we entered at this psychological level. We're in profit of about 60 pips. And then I remember I said some people should shift themselves to entry. So I called this X because some people said, they came to my DM and said, Coach, I did not see that instruction. So I did not shift themselves to entry because our TP was 100 pips, but we caught 60 pips and hit the SL. But those that obviously shifted SL to entry, you did not hit their SL. So this was the trade, the sell, which hit some people's SL. So I just marked it out as I lost the trade. And we waited for a clear pattern. Now, look at me. Look at me. When you're trading, when you're trading, pay attention, everybody. When you're trading, you need to understand something very important. And what's that thing? Um, know when to wait. I saw this post on Instagram. The post said the the best dancer knows when to leave the stage. Know when you need to wait. Just know the time when you need to leave. Yes, I know I called 100 pips profit. TP. He was on 60 pips. Why didn't you leave? Okay, coach did not give us the instruction to leave. Okay, that's fine. But I remember in our strategy we had an instruction that says when you see a weak rejection opposite your predicted movement, you leave. You still didn't leave. Okay, coach did not give us an instruction to leave. That's fine. But I went back to your entry. You still did not close at break even. So this is how to know if you should shift to break even. If your SL is 40 pips SL and price has moved beyond 40 pips profit, please shift to entry. So that's like a one-to-one mentality. If you have 20 pips SL and you're already 20 pips in profit, please gracefully shift SL to entry. If it goes against you, you'll be out at break even. You can look for a re-entry, that's fine. But secure your trade because this is real money, it's not demo. I remember I've warned you guys many times. I don't want to see you trading demo. I don't want to see it. If you post demo on my group, I will remove you. I don't want to see it. I'll refund your money. Don't post demo on my group. Oh. Because if you can't show me your withdrawal, then why are you trading? You came here to make money. You didn't come here to do demo and impress anybody. You're not impressing nobody. Nobody cares about how much you have. Do you think anybody really care? Nobody really cares. The only time the only time you can post anything demo is if it's demo prop firm. Hey, I'm okay. You're posting demo. Don't do it. Don't. If you don't have money for accounts, don't trade. I don't want to see you. Even when you're a newbie, I don't want to see you with demo. Put $20 and practice with that one. Let it go. No problem. But don't use demo. Now, why? I always say it. Demo keeps your psychology in a messed up point of view because you always succeed in demo and you lose in your real account. So leave demo alone. Even if it's $10, your emotions will be with that $10 and you will learn how to and how not to trade it. Hence why you need to fund a live account even in your first trial of trading. So let's go back into the review we are doing. All right. Now, when you hit our SL, I would have entered the sell again. In fact, some people told me, coach, our SL was too tight. That's why it didn't move. I was laughing because I can't use 70 pips SL or 65 pips SL. I can't. So I just waited for a clean entry again. And I saw a pattern form. Right? Now, what pattern is that? Look at me. This is head and shoulder. This is the head. This is the left shoulder. This is the right shoulder. Upon the right shoulder, I said, guys, please sell. And I told you where we are hunting, right? We are hunting 138. No, 139 rather. I think this is our take profit level. Now someone is like, coach, look at all the pips you want to catch. Are you a juju man? Can you catch 400 pips? Are you a juju man? Yes, sir, I'm a juju man. I'm doing juju for a living. Anyways, we entered the sale, and honestly speaking, to be very honest with you guys, I was very emotional on Thursday and Friday. Now you might be asking why. I saw people with a drawdown that passed their accounts. Phase one, phase two, multiple people. I saw people that there was someone that is a live account of 10K. He lost 6K prior to the day, but on that day he risked all 4K, which is not a good practice though. But he risked all 4K. You know, the trade I gave was 25 pips SL, but he used 20 pips SL. And I wonder how he didn't hit his SL. He used 20 pips SL. And price got to 19 pips drawdown and started selling. So it would have almost hit his SL. He used 20 pips SL and 20 lots. It's not a good practice, but he held. He held for 200 solid pips. Think of how much that is. That's $40,000. He showed me the money. It's not a fake account. He showed me it's a live account. It was a live account. He exited here 141. I was really emotional on Thursday, Friday because my own focus was, Lord, thank you that my students are making money. Thank you that they have food to eat because they were able to cash out from a signal I gave. And now, that was about that. Remember, we're still holding for TP, but then I saw a very clean re-entry here. I saw a clean re-entry here, which I re-entered. I called it out for just a few people, and we rolled price again all the way down for another 210 pips or so. Look at it. So total that was, yeah, 215 pips to be candid, right? I exited at 200 pips. That was when I left. I left at 200 pips because I saw a sign of reversal, and I called out the buy here. Even Femi Oyewumi, Mr. Femi Oyewumi called out the buy also, this EJ buy. So some people cashed out massively. But that's just a review of last week trades. And now what am I looking for this week? Remember, since price broke out of this level, it has not come back to retest it. Are you there? Since price broke out of this level, it has not come back to retest it. Since price broke out of this level, it has not come back to retest it. It has not come back to retest it. So this is what I'm looking out for actually. And then price left a week here. So you need to come and fill up that week. You know already. Price left a week here. You need to come and fill up that week. Hence, I'll be looking for an entry from the height of the week, which is 142,200. I'm looking for a sell. And my SL will be above this high here, just at this high. That's about 37 pips. If you keep it properly there, that's 40 pips SL. I can't use 40 pips. The highest I can use 35 pips. So if I keep my SL here and move my entry up here, I now have 35 pips. I can't use 40 pips, sorry. All right. So we're having 35 pips SL here because since price broke out of this level, remember it failed to break here, failed. That's not retested till now. So we're expecting a retest of this level before a continued sell. Right? We're expecting a retest of the level before a continued sell. Now I would have called out this buy, but it's Monday morning. I don't rush things. So price tested this level 3 times, broke out of it, retested. Hence why we are seeing this buy into this level. Right? But I don't want to call it out. I don't want to call it out. So that's what I'm looking out for. And our TP is a graceful 400 and 525 pips. Take profit level. And now, where did I pick as my take profit? Because someone will be asking me already. Coach David, you just stay and put take profit level. Like, what are you saying? Let me show you what I'm saying. So, see what I'm saying here, guys. We have liquidity here, equal lows, the price needs to take out. All right. And we have an order block here. On a daily time frame, 100 pips order block. All right. So, I'm waiting for price to come there. We'll close our profit. Then we'll wait for like another 8 or 10 hours to see the formation because I want to see at least 2 4-hour candles, maybe an engulfing or something. I just want to see something that will make me make a move in that zone. I don't want to trade when price comes into the zone, except I see a confirmation from a higher time frame. And now, when we start that buy, where are we likely to end that buy? To be honest with you guys, I'll be very honest with you guys, right? If price respects this place actually, if it actually respects this place, see where we are coming. If I don't know if price will respect it, but let's say price respects it, see where we are coming. Let me mark it out so you see how many potential this zone has. So this is 1,300 and something pips. So we'll just keep riding on the buy on a long term. Now the only thing that can make price to move heavily at this level is news, heavy news like maybe NFP or FOMC or CPI. Any other news, it can't make price move as heavy as we expect. It can't make price move as heavy as we expect. Any other news, okay? So that's what we are looking out for. Hence why I marked out that zone as our take profit level. So I hope with these few points of mine, I've been able to brain feed you and not to brainwash you that Forex is a good business. How many of you remember when you do debates in your secondary school? I hope with these few points of mine, I've been able to confuse you and not to confuse you that Nigeria is a scam. Oh my god. So this is what I'm expecting pretty much. Nothing so not so heavy move. I don't want to buy. Do you understand? I don't want to buy this thing because it's deceit. I want to just wait for the sale to happen. All right. Now, what if this sale does not come up? I'll wait for it to break below this level and retest it. So if this sale, if it does not come up here for me to trade, I'll wait for it to break below here before I will make a move. All right. If it doesn't break below, I'm not going to sell. So inside this zone, I'm not doing anything. Either it comes up for me or it comes down for me. I hope that is clear enough. I hope that is clear enough. And that's on EJ for the week. Um, that's EJ for this week. That's what I'm expecting. Nothing so much actually. There's either does that or does this. So that's what I'm expecting for this week. So let me share it with you guys. So I'm sending it to you guys now. Just be on the lookout. It's not going to move right there and right now. Obviously, it cannot move right there and right now. Right? It cannot move right there and right now. So it's just you that will have to stay and make a move. All right. So now let's look at the next thing I'm looking out for, which is GBP USD. GBP USD. On Euro JPY, I've shown you the analysis. So I can take out this and this. And then let's watch what price does. Let's watch what price does. Then GBP USD, let's look at it. Let's look at GBP USD together. But then, depending when we look at it, any question? Any question? Anybody with any question before we go into GBP USD now? Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Before we go into GBP USD, any question? Any question? Please go ahead and ask. I'm here with you. Go ahead and ask your questions. I want to go into GBP USD and it's going to be fireful. It's going to be very fireful. I bet it. It's going to be very fireful. So any questions, please go ahead and ask your questions.
Oh, you didn't send your prices. What happened?
Okay, since there are no questions, let's continue. Let's do GPUSD analysis. 4 hours.
I'm still waiting for how much you want to pay. Even yesterday, David was asking because you wanted to send the money to you. So please let me know so that we transfer it.
So let's look at let's look at GBP USD. So what I did and what I always do is to mark out key levels close to where price currently is. All right, I mark out key levels close to where price currently is. See Jeffrey, he was gonna drag people on his Twitter.
Drag him.
He was gonna drag them on Twitter. Jeffrey like koala.
Why you are ending the candle this way? When you don't understand how you are having a lot to
Okay,
do,
so
then you start
mark out key
using
levels
Forex
on a
money.
higher time frame.
This way, check your phone. Make I check my phone. I beg.
So the first key level, close to where price currently is this level here.
Is it on Twitter?
No, that's Instagram.
Same thing. Yes, now. They carry you, call it proper Garcia. They should wait. They are coming with this year. They are coming with speed.
While this is also a key level right here. Um, okay, and I'll mark out why this is the key level because we are seeing something like head and shoulder. All right, that's why this is the key level because we are seeing something like head and shoulder. And if this head and shoulder holds, oh boy, we are going down. If this head and shoulder, oh boy, GBP I'll kill you. If that head and shoulder holds, we are going down. If that head and shoulder holds, guys, we are going down on GBP But why we are trying to, what's the entry price on EJ? No, I'm not giving you entry price. I just sent you the chart. Go and duplicate it. It's your own work to duplicate. I'm not giving you the entry price. I'm not. I've told you guys many times, stay with trading view. Carry that thing I just gave you. It will take you like 2 hours to duplicate what I gave you, but no problem. Look for the time frame I analyzed it on. Go and do your own. Look for the entry. Go and do your own. Look for where I drew line. Go and do your own. That's the only way you can learn. I'm not telling you entry price, though. No. I'll tell you when it's ready for the buy or the sell. But pending that time, I'm not going to tell you anything. Go and duplicate it. That's how you learn. You don't learn by looking for entry price. Um, where's another key level? This is another key level here. If you to flag this my video, if you to flag my video, I'll best for you. Do know that your sound is entering this video. It will flag this video. Tell me it's copyright.
Okay, let me go.
So this is another key level right here. Now, why is this other one a key level? Because you see this, you see this, you see this. Are you seeing? You see breakouts and a retest. You see, you see this. You see this was the low before this heavy move up. All right, and then prior to this low, price has been ranging inside of this line, this zone. Hence why we are picking this as a key level. If price fails this lower key level, it's coming down into this key level. Do you understand what I'm saying, guys? If you understand, put 777. If you don't understand, put 555. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, I'm waiting. If you understand what I explained just now, put 77. If you don't understand, put 55. I'm waiting for you. So why we are okay. Some people say 555. Okay, let me explain again. Here we saw a bullish engulfing candle on the 4-hour chart. The low that gave us this engulfing candle is this level, right? Because the engulfing candle led us into a new high. This is the high that price broke out because of the engulfing candle. Because of the engulfing candle. So this low here that give us this new high is what we are considering. But now we are now trying to backtest it, and we said prior to this low, price has been touching this level multiple times. Prior to this low, price has been touching this level many times. Prior to this low, do you understand? Hence why this is a very strong low. What I just did now is the same thing that we call market structure: low, high, low, high, low, high. Do you understand? It's the same thing. So I'm just marking out key levels. Now this is another low that is the very key level because it led us into a new high. So this is another low that is a key level because this was the low that started this high that started into this high, that took out this high rather. This is the low. All right. So this low that took out this high, we are also considering it. So now we have our major key levels closest to where price currently is. Now remember I said only trade from key levels to key levels. That's the best way to trade. Only trade from key levels to key levels. So how many key levels do we have? Closest to where price is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is another key level, but it's way down. All right. What that means is if price comes, so we can use this one as a take profit if we are selling. We can use this one as a take profit if we are selling. Do you understand? We can use it as a take profit. We can use it as a take profit. We can use it as a take profit if we are selling. Do you understand? So currently the most probable move is head and shoulder. That's the most probable move currently. That's the most probable move. So this level, then we sell into this level. Now, if this level breaks, what are we going to do? We wait for a retest of the level, then we'll buy into this higher level. Do you understand? Let me show you what I mean. Come to the 1 hour chart. We have an order block here. So if look at short position and it's at the psychological level that is 1.22700. So now look at this. To be This year is likely to be my most aggressive trading year. Yeah. And then we are seeing a sluggish retracement into the upside. This is sluggish retracement. Hence why I'm trusting the sales. All right. I'm trusting the sales actually. And the sale is going to ride us into this level. And that's some good 450 pips. Okay. If I even want to take out all my money, I know that it will break this low. So I can even put it on or below this low. That's 500 pips. But let's do 470 pips is not bad. All right. You can do that. Our SL is 30 pips SL. All right. However, this is a long move, so you are going to be buying and selling in between. You're going to be buying and selling in between. You already know that. But this is just the overall move I'm seeing. If it breaks this level, then I'll wait for something like this break, then buy here for a sell. But I might not even want to buy. I might just, if it breaks, then I'll just wait for this level to get to this level, then I'll sell again. But it has to sell. GU is not buying. So I'm not interested in any buys on GU. From here till the highest buy is just how many pips? It's just 80 pips, less than 100 pips. So why will I risk 80 pips for? Why will I, because of 80 pips, miss 500 pips? That's not wise. All right. So the overall is a sell. I'm not looking for a buy again. But then look, my papa get market. Market can do what he wants to do. The only thing that can change my bias is if price breaks above this 4 hour zone. If it breaks above that 4 hour zone, then I know that the next place we are coming to Mark out another support level, guys. Another key level rather. Another key level is this level. If price breaks above this level, then we'll come into this higher level for another sell. If price breaks the level, we're coming into this higher zone for another sell. Nothing more than that. Now, what zone did I pick out? I picked out this, the beginning of this engulfing that we saw here. The beginning of the engulfing is where I picked out, up until the highest week of that engulfing. All right, so that's all I'm looking out for. Um, Someone has caught you. They heard your voice. They say Kira is here. Someone
No,
has
it's
caught you.
because of what I posted on the page. You know you are correcting the mistakes and everything.
Oh, you got a.
Yeah.
Oh, my voice was there.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. They've caught Kira. Come and show your face. They've caught you already. Hi, guys. Oh, my God. They've caught you already.
Okay.
Oh, my God. So that's pretty much what I'm expecting. Nothing else. Honestly, nothing else. Nothing else. But any questions before we call it a day? Any questions? Do you know that on this channel we did a birthday shout out for you on your birthday?
Really? Oh, I didn't know. You should
That
have
was
sent it
last
earlier.
week. Last week, Monday or either last week or last 2 weeks Monday.
I didn't send me the link.
I didn't want to stress you. Everybody was writing happy birthday, Kira.
Oh. They didn't send me any gift. You should have had money.
You said we would have added money. Don't worry, another time. Don't worry. Uh, as mean, we can have. Okay, maybe. No, I don't go live on Tuesday. I say we should carry Jeffrey inside the channel also. We'll drag Jeff here. Oh my god. Oh well. But that's all I'm looking out for, guys. I don't have any other thing to share with you. Oh, someone said he personally sent you a message. Gabriel, I personally sent her a message.
On my birthday.
Yeah.
Thank you.
She says thank you. King of the boys. Yes. Yes, she's the king of the boys. Someone else sent her a message on Instagram saying from you. Yeah, I told her to send you a message from David. So she says sent her a message. The other person, Emmanuel, sent her a message on Instagram saying from you.
Oh,
Now she did not check your Instagram.
today?
No, that's on your birthday now.
Oh, I answered everybody on my birthday.
Even message request.
Yeah.
Oh wow. So I'm sure you saw it. Maybe you didn't just pay so much attention. But she saw the messages and she responded. So guys, that's all from me today. Um just wait for the pattern to form properly. Don't try to fight it. Don't. Don't try to fight it. Wait for the pattern to form properly. So maybe tomorrow the sale might be ready. But today, even if the sale comes, I'm not going to take it because it's Monday. I'm not going to take it even if it comes. So wait for the pattern to form properly. Uh, then take it. But the zone is very close. 1.22800. SL 1.23010. That's 30 pips. Two three 100 22800. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I believe there are no other questions. I'm done. I'm tired already. And it's already 42 minutes. Thank you for joining. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed week. Ah, and let's enjoy our blues. Blue, blue everywhere. All right. Take care. Bye. If you have any question, please reach out to me on Instagram, or if you have my WhatsApp number, please reach out to me also. All right. So someone says, "Hi Kira, the queen of Forex, Ghana." Olua
How do you manage
Kemisola.
now?
They say she said you should add money if you are going to call her name. Add money. Add money. Send funds, boss. Send funds. Okay, thank you for a weekly drive, coach. You're welcome. Edo Praise, thank you, sir. Okay, yeah, thank you, sir. Gabriel says thanks, bro. Thanks. Favor says thank you, coach. Yeah. He says paste your WhatsApp number. I don't have it too. Sorry, I don't give out my WhatsApp number. Oh. Hey. Now the reason is this. It's not because I don't want to, but I have hundreds of unattended messages. Like hundreds of messages I've not attended to. But the easiest way to reach out is either Telegram or Instagram. Those two places I'll respond quickly. WhatsApp, I'm scared to even go there because of the tons of messages there. So people don't know that even if you have my WhatsApp number, the best place to reach me is on Instagram because I'm more active there. But WhatsApp, I'm tired of it. I want to even throw it away. But because of the people that are there, I can't throw it away. So Instagram is the best place. Omomi Joshua says, "Thank you, coach. God bless you." Amen. Thank you too. So someone says, "Okay, boss. Yeah, thanks." All right. So have a great time. Bye.